Hello, sir. How have you been?
Sir, I'm on cloud nine.
That's crazy. Hello, everyone. My name is Anurag Tiwari. For the first time, Piyush is sitting here with me, and it is his first video. First video. In first video, he's going to speak in English with me. Let us see how does she perform here, and I can guarantee you that I can guarantee you that he is going to do it very good, and this video is going to be very special for all of you because he's one of the best students of my tuition classes and he has been here for a very long time. Let's start the conversation. So, hello Mr. Pius, how have you been?
Sir, I am on cloud nine.
You are on cloud 9. Could you please tell me a little about yourself, a little of your introduction?
Um, if you talk about myself, so my name is Pius. I study ninth class and I am 15-year old, and I get normal marks in my school and also in my tuition, and I am not very sincere boy, and I like to play cricket, and
Hoshi, close the door, shut the door.
and I also speak very well in English in my school and also in my tuition. So
Okay, what are you fond of doing in your free time?
uh, I am fond of doing in my free time, like operating phone, and reading books like Star Wars, and funny books. And I also fond of doing my free time is talking with my mother and father. This
Do you cook food?
Sometimes I cook food whenever my parents uh, are not at home, so I cook food with my sister.
Do you beat your sister?
Sometimes I beat my sister when she does do some mistakes, and when she beats me, so I
I beat him.
beat
I
him,
beat her.
her.
Where do you belong?
I belong from Bihar.
I belong to
Bihar.
Bihar. Okay. Can I say you Bihari? When somebody says you Bihari, how do you feel?
When someone call me to Bihari, so suddenly I punched him very hardly on his neck and also his nose. After sometimes I पछताते
I regret.
I regret to me, so regret.
So, like, don't you belong to Bihar? Just yes or no. Do you belong to Bihar?
Yes, sir.
If you belong to Bihar, if somebody belongs to Haryana, he is Haryanvi.
Yes, sir.
If someone belongs to Rajasthan, he is Rajasthani.
Yes, sir.
If somebody belongs to UP, he is UP wala.
Yes, sir.
And if someone belongs to Bihar, he is Bihari.
But he say like badly, like oh Bihari Babu, uh, um, where are you go? Like
Where are you
ऐसे,
going?
where
Okay,
are you
like
going?
so, Piyush, I want to know, according to you, what is the reason behind this? Why people do not take serious the Bihar people? And there are many people in Bihar who has created history, and they are doing great job in their field.
When someone called me Bihari, so I told to him, you don't. I tell him, you don't know about the history of Bihar. Uh, about 60 to 70% of peoples become a UPSC from Bihar, and many actors and president and also prime minister belong to Bihar, and our citizen don't know what is the real value of Bihar.
Okay, would you like to tell me your daily routine on like what
uh,
do you do on daily basis
on Sunday on or working day.
on working day every
On
day?
working day, so firstly I woke up wake up at 6 o'clock, and I go to my terrace and I do some exercise. Then I come to my bedroom, then I operate 5 to 4 minute phone, then I go to brush and take bath. After that I come and eat my breakfast, and I and I wear my school dresses. Then I go to school and I come back from school at 2 o'clock. Then I and I निकालने को कपड़े निकालने
Take out.
take
I-
out and I take out my school dress. Then I eat my lunch. Then I come my tuition,
कपड़े उतारना. Take off.
take off my clothes. Then I eat some food and watch TV. Eat some food while watching TV. Then I come to tuition and I study 4 to 6 subject. And after studying subject classes, then I come to my English tuition class. Then I study here at least one hour. Then I go to my home and I take some rest. Then I start study for my next day. Then I eat food. Then I sleep.
Okay, you have a good day. I think you do not get time to play.
On Sunday on Sunday I have a time to play games with my friends in my street. But on working day I don't have time to play.
You are so busy. You have a busy life. Are you happy with your life?
Sometimes I am very I feel very sad to my life, and sometimes I think gosh, I wish that I I earn money without any hard work, and I become a very rich person without study anywhere. But
Means sometimes you wish like you could earn a lot of money without studying, without putting efforts, without working hard.
and sometimes I realized if I will not study, so my parents would not happy with
Get happy.
get happy and sapne. He has a big dream. He has a big dream for me, that I become a big person. And
So if you know that your father has a dream for you, he wants to, he wants you to make a big person. You can say a powerful man. So why don't you do hard work? Like I also teach you science, so I know you very well, and I don't want to disclose this here, but I want to know your opinion. You are totally free today. You can talk what you want to talk. What is that one thing that stops you from studying, that stops you from working hard, that stops you from chasing your goal? Why are you still not able to do it?
um, firstly, I don't handle the lot of work in my daily routine. And I nowadays I am not handling the things in my school and also tuition. They gives me so many works and learning things, and I have not sufficient time to learn it. And I have also so many works like I ना होता है ना होता है I नहीं, मुझे बहुत सारा काम पेजेस करने होते हैं स्कूल के. I have to do so many pages in my school and also tuition. My teachers always gives me so many burden, and I don't have to learn many things, and I am not very good in study.
So you are not good at studies, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Don't you want to be good?
Sir, I want to
Be good.
be good.
What do you want to become? What is your dream?
Sir, I want to become a Indian Air Force pilot.
An Indian Air Force pilot.
Huh.
Do you know in order to become a pilot what you need to do?
Sir, whenever I told to ask someone how can I become a Indian Air Force pilot, so someone said you will have to choose science you will have to choose art. So I confuse I confuse what I have to choose.
Okay. After this video, I will tell you what you have to actually do in order to become that particular or get that particular post. So Piyush, I want to know that do you take bath daily?
In summer I take bath daily, but in winter I take bath only 2 or 3 times in a week.
2 or 3 times in a week.
In a week,
Okay.
but sometimes, not
Only
daily.
sometimes, not daily. What about your sister? Does your sister take bath daily?
Yeah, uh, she she takes bath daily, but in summer sometimes she uh, take bath 4 and 5 times in a week
In winters.
in winters.
So she also takes a gap.
Yeah, she also, but only one day.
Okay, okay, no problem. It happens. So, do you talk to your father? Do you sit with your father?
Whenever he's free, so I go to my father and ask to him, how is your day, and do you have some problem, so you can tell me. Then she said, uh, I don't have problem. I think you have a problem, so tell to me, ask to me.
Does your father love you?
Yes, my father loves me.
Do you love your father?
Yeah, I also loves my father.
Love my father.
Love my father.
If your father says you that now you don't need to go to tuition, now you don't need to go to school, now you don't need to do this, that, those, and all. So, will you do all of those things, or you will just follow your father's order?
If he said that, so समझाऊंगा.
I will make him understand.
I will make him understand what is the importance of study, and I also say to him, uh, if I will not study, so I will not become a big person, and I will not पूरा करने को सर
Complete.
upgrade.
Upgrade. Complete.
And I will not complete your complete dreams.
Okay. And what is the role of your mother in your life?
If you talk about my mother role, so I don't know deeply, but she also loves me. And whenever I feel bad, so said to me, uh, why are you sad? So I am saying to him, um, I say her to. Um,
Does your mom beat you?
Whenever I do mistakes, my mother beats me.
So how can you say that your mother love you? If your mom beats you,
Whenever I do mistakes, and I felt my and I felt and I feel.
okay, let it be. And tell me one thing that nobody knows about you, your secrets. Could you tell me, you have to tell me 5 secrets
5 secrets.
that I don't know
So
about you.
firstly, whenever my teachers give me question paper and answer sheet, I do not show to tuition and also home. And second one is I don't and I don't like the behavior of teachers in my around. He when he हमेशा
Always.
always he beat me. And third one, काफ़ी है.
No, you can go for this.
And one day I stole money from house for my house. I think 20 rupees.
So, did they get to know that you have stolen money or not?
After 4 to 5 days, I
Told them.
told my mother I stole 20 rupees in the cover of fridge.
Okay. As it is your first video, I'm not that energetic today, so I would like to wind up the talking right now. But after this, we will continue and we will keep shooting your next video. So now the ball is in your court, and you have a chance to speak in English to ask some questions.
Why have you come in Delhi? You don't have job in your village.
I have been living in Delhi for more than 7 years. So yeah, I came Delhi for my study purpose, and I studied here. I completed my 11th, my 12th, my graduation. I got a job. I left the job and I operated this tuition, and I own this tuition.
सर उब जाने को.
Fed up with, tired of.
Now, are you tired of teaching us?
I am not tired of teaching you, but when you don't give me response, then I get tired of this. When you don't listen to me, when you don't speak properly, like today you spoke, but you made a lot of mistakes. It was not expected from you, but you did it. So this makes me feel tired.
Whenever you beat some children's like he and she are very big to you and also in age wise, so uh, do you not feel scared? How do you feel?
To be honest, somewhere I feel scared, but now in the habit of beating children. To be honest, I beat a lot, and if it depends on the person. If the person next to me is someone who is curious to learn, who is desirous of learning, who I have responsibility of that person, then I am going to beat him. Otherwise, I will not beat that person.
You don't think whenever I beat the big children, so suddenly he also beat me?
It is not like that. You see me like a teacher, and like you only know like I'm a teacher, but when you do something, when you are in the habit of doing something, then you need to treat a lot of people. Suppose you are my student, I can meet anybody who is a villain. I can meet anyone who does not want good to me, and he can be an enemy. So we need to be full prepared. Even while operating a tuition class, you have a lot of enemies. So I'm totally prepared. It's not like that I have a thin body, I'm not fat, or I don't have a muscular body, so anybody can come to me and anybody can do whatever she or he wants. No, this is not like that. And for the sake of your knowledge, I would like to tell you that I can also do a lot of things, and you need to be prepared. Only this is the requirement. It is not that easy. You might think that there are so many children and I beat them, they can meet me outside the tuition. It is not that easy. If they can meet me outside the tuition, so I can meet them at their home. And I have also a lot of things to do. I am also one of you. Just try to think that. And in especially in Delhi, bande bula lunga, ye kar lunga, wo kar lunga, this has become very common issues among the students and children and everybody. But I am also one of the part of this. If there is a need, so I can also go for a lot of things and actions.
So thank you, sir. I don't have question
Okay, now he doesn't have questions, so we will wind up this session right now. It was a great talking to you. Would you like to say something to the audience?
Please share this video and uh, show this video to your parents and बुलाओ इधर बुलाने को, and call them here inside academy. So like and say subscribe.
Like the video and subscribe the channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye.